Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to conduct an information and communication technology for the students of class 7th. Our today's topic is Chapter 3, MCQ Question Answer Part 1. I repeat, our today's topic is Chapter 3, MCQ Question Answer and Part 1. Dear students, look, at the very beginning I have given you 6 MCQ. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's start our class. Choose the best answer from the alternatives. When copyright law first established in Bangladesh? I repeat, when copyright law was first established in Bangladesh? Option in 1999, 2000, 2001, 2002. From our textbook we have come to know the correct answer will be 2000. Which one is the biggest example of open source philosophy? Look, open source philosophy. Option Google Chrome, Opera Mini, Yahoo, Wikipedia. Yes, we have got the answer. It will be Wikipedia is an open source of philosophy. It is called the storehouse of knowledge, Wikipedia. Number 3, for cleaning the computer we need option shut down the computer, disconnect the electricity supply of computer. Number 3, disconnect electric supply of the room. Option 1 and 2 are suitable for the answer. So I am telling again, shut down the computer and disconnect the electricity supply of computer are enough for cleaning the computer we need. That means which one of the following is correct? A 1, B 1 and 2, C 2 and 3, D 1, 2, 3. Yes, correct answer is 1 and 2. That means B number is the correct answer. Number 4, we should not give our address, picture when using internet to option friend, known people, unknown people, relatives. So we have got the answer here unknown people. We must not or should not give our address, picture when using information. That means we must not give our address, picture to the unknown people. Number 5, if we use computer access time, option it will create physical problem, it will create eye problem, it will create mental problem. So look at the 3 options here. So which one of the following is correct? A 1, B 2, C 2 and 3, D number 1, 2, 3. That means if we use computer access time, we will have problems. It will create physical problem, yes. It will create eye problem, yes. It will create mental problem. That means three options are suitable for the answer. D number 1, 2, 3. Last MCQ. If children see cartoon every time, then option A increase the knowledge, decrease the knowledge and harm their mental growth. Number D, decrease the experience. Yes, we have come to know the answer that then if children see cartoon every time, then it will harm their mental growth. So here we have learned 6 MCQs. Now we will go to our question answer. So look at the first question. Only one question I have given you. So what is computer virus? Explain how can we keep the computer virus free. Dear students, computer virus, it is a very familiar term. We all know the computer virus. It is normally a harmful program. It is seen that some dishonest people create this program or create this virus just to make fun or to commit crimes. I will give you 2 examples so that you can understand how harmful the computer viruses are. It was in 2004, a computer virus named MyDOM-Worm. It attacked 250,000 computers in a day. Another example, it was in 1999, a computer virus named Militia. It attacked the strong cyber world. So From these two examples, we have understood how harmful the computer virus are. Now, for your better understanding, I am going to the answer session. So, look here, it is a harmful program for computer that is made by the dishonest programmer. It spreads for one computer to another computer via pen drive, CD, DVD and internet. If we want to keep our computer virus free, at first we have to know how the virus spreads in the computer. That means we have to know how the virus spreads in the computer. Virus can spread from one computer to another computer without any source like pen drive, CD, etc. So we should not take anything in the pen drive from the virus affected computer. Yes, the message is that we should not take anything in the pen drive from the virus affected computer. Next, if we copy any file from the virus affected computer, virus also been copied with the file. Yes, here we see that if we copy any file from the virus affected computer, virus also been copied with the file and enter the computer. Next, after entering the computer, it creates lots of virus in the computer. That means at first it enters into our computer as a single virus, but after entering into our computer, it creates lots of virus in the computer. We have to use the antivirus program. Look at the term here, antivirus, which protects our computer from virus. To keep the computer virus free, we have to be aware of using internet, because most of the virus enters the computer from the internet. So here another message is given here, that means we have to be very much careful while using internet, because most of the virus enter the computer from the internet. So dear students, these are our MCQs and question answer in lecture 2. In our previous lecture, that means lecture 1, I have given you, or I gave you 12 MCQs and 2 broad questions. In my today's lecture, that means lecture 2, I have given you 6 MCQ and 1 question answer. So dear students, now I hope that all of you have understood our today's lecture and discussion. It is MCQs and question answer. Keep practicing MCQs and question answer. Eat a balanced diet, take physical exercise regularly and abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.